Are you looking for the best telescopes? In this video we will look at some of the best telescopes the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Celestron NexStar 8 SE Computerized Telescope. Type compound aperture 8 inches. Movement computerized, best for viewing our solar system, comets, brighter deep sky objects, basic astrophotography. The NexStar series is well pedigreed in astronomical circles, and the distinctive orange tube is a common sight at star parties. The larger model, which features an 8-inch lens, strikes a great balance between power, price, and convenience. Despite its larger size, the NexStar 8 SE is still portable, thanks to its compact but complex design that replicates the optic performance of a longer telescope. Its cost is certainly not cheap, but it's more than worth it for the generous increase in light captured and the subsequent uptick in the quality of your observations. That the computerized pad and guidance have not changed much in the past decade is a sign of the high degree of reliability. Number 2. Orion SkyQuest XT8. Type reflector aperture 8 inches. Movement manual, best for viewing planetary features, comets, other objects in our solar system, deep sky objects. The SkyQuest is a telescope near and dear to my heart. For less than $1,000, it features a large 8-inch light collecting area with great observation quality, unlocking farther and fainter objects for the observer than the average starter telescope. The downsides are weight, it's about 40 pounds, and size, the tube alone is 46 inches, so this isn't a great telescope for carrying up a mountain or storing in a small apartment. If you have the room, it does a great job for stargazing when car camping, however. Under a dark sky, the XT8 can reveal nebulae, Saturn's rings, the moons of several planets, pretty much anything you can and will want to point it at. Without an onboard computer, you will be handling the aiming and tracking, but don't panic. There is no better way to learn the night sky than with a simple and forgiving telescope like this one, along with a digital or analog star map. Number 3. Zhumell Z100 Altazimuth Reflector Telescope. Type reflector aperture 4 inches. Movement manual, best for first-timers and kids, observing larger objects in our solar system like the moon. I have watched the miniature Dobsonian mount telescopes, not a new dog breed, market with fascination. All too often, I've heard of families buying a value telescope only to discard it in frustration because it was difficult to use and didn't show the sky clearly. This is a solution to all those challenges in a grab-and-go mini package.